In this video I'm revealing the best Heikin Ashi strategy that you can use. In this video, I'm not going to waste your time by telling you unimportant things that you do not need, such as who is the founder or the formulas of the indicators, because telling you all this won't make you any money. Instead, we are going straight into the strategy. Firstly, let me clear this to the new beginner traders who are still new to this trading indicator. The Heikin Ashi candle does not show real price, like you see in this example. Here I am using Heikin Ashi candle, and as you can see, a wide big candle is formed. But if you look at actual candle, it displays a HPR pattern. So when you are back testing the Heikin Ashi strategy, you cannot set your candles to Heikin Ashi because it's not the real price. Instead, you need to use an indicator called as Heikin Ashi. All you need to do is go to indicators and type Heikin Ashi and select the first one. This is going to show you the current price and also Heikin Ashi candles. Now let's begin with the actual strategy. So while trading, finding a trend is not as simple as you think. That is where Heikin Ashi comes. Here, when you see, you will observe multiple green and red candles, which will not help you understand the trend of market. Here, you can see the number of red candles is way less compared to the previous normal candles. This will help you understand the market trend much better. That is what Heikin Ashi candles are used for. It helps to eliminate the extra noise and gives a clear view of the real market. So here's a quick way on how you can spot an uptrend. You can identify a strong bullish trend if the candles colored are green and it has a large body with no lower shadows. And you can identify a strong bearish trend if the candles colored are red and it has a large body with no upper shadows. So we all know that a trend will not last forever. Eventually, it will weaken and reverse. Heikin Ashi is designed to detect price reversals. In Heikin Ashi charts, you will also find doji candle like this. Doji candle is a candle which has a very small body and shadows at both ends. Here's how you find reversals in Heikin Ashi charts using doji candle. The first step is to find an existing trend. The next step is to find a doji candle within that trend. Doji candle can be of any color. If you have not watched my candlestick videos, then I would suggest you do. The next thing is to wait for two candles that is of opposite color of the trend. Let's look at an example. Here an uptrend was spotted. Then a doji candle was spotted, which was then followed by two opposite color candles. Note, if you are entering a short position, the red candle must not have any shadows at top for at least two candles. Let us look at another example. Here the trend was down. Then a doji was spotted. Then two opposite color candles were formed, with no lower shadow. With all this confirmation, price went up. So that is how we use Heikin Ashi candle. If this video gets 250 likes, I will make another video how you can trade Heikin Ashi candle with stochastic indicator. That is all for this video. Thank you all for watching.